Hey, Ken here at Waters Garden Center, and a really great native plant that's a wildflower is called Penstemon. Here it is. This is Parryi's Penstemon. It's just starting to go into bloom right there. Can you take a look? So Penstemon gets up about, I don't know, knee high or so. Gets nice and full, kind of 2 by 2 by 2. And it just does this consistently every single year. If you're into pollinators, if you love hummingbirds, butterflies, Penstemon, this is like irresistible to birds. They're all over. As soon as these open up, in the next week or two, they will be all over this plant. But if you want a super drought hardy, we'll come back year after year, reseed in the yard, look at Parryi's Penstemon for your wildflower gardens, and available right here at Waters Garden Center.